Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the Sandalwood murder scandal. A day after actor Darshan was arrested, big revelations coming in on the police investigation. Sources confirming that actor Darshan did visit the shed where, in fact, the victim's body was kept on the evening of June 8, the day of the murder. Now, Darshan had arrived at this garage along with his wife, Pavitra Gowda. So it's confirmed now, as per the police, that he was very much at that crime scene. The victim, Renuka Swamy, was attacked repeatedly and clearly these perpetrators who were allegedly hired by Darshan then beat him up repeatedly with the intention of impressing Darshan to show off in front of him that they were going ahead and doing his bidding. That's not all. Here is the most incriminating piece of information we're picking up. Actor Darshan also beat up the victim, whipping him with a belt after arriving at that shed. Renuka Swamy, the victim, remember, as per the post-mortem report, had died of injuries after he was repeatedly beaten with heavy objects. Now, Darshan was there briefly, beat him with a belt, whipped him and then left. The perpetrators, the ones who actually beat Renuka Swamy to death, continued to assault him, and that's how he died. One of the accused, who's in custody, identified as Pavan, allegedly then called up the actor, called up Darshan and told him that Renuka Swamy was dead. 30 lakh rupees was exchanged to manage the situation. By manage, we mean dispose of the body right after. These are the details that have emerged, thereby confirming, as per the police investigation, that Darshan was at the shed where the assault took place, and Darshan himself beat up the victim. Okay, we're picking up more details from our sources on exactly what happened, the exact sequence of events. Remember, 10 people have been arrested, many of them allegedly hired by actor Darshan to carry out this assault on Renuka Swamy, which then turned into murder. Renuka Swamy was abducted on June 8th at 11 a.m. from Chitradurga, then brought to Bengaluru. Now, the accused brought him then to the shed in Bengaluru. Darshan and Pavitra Gowda then reached that shed together. They came in a car. CCTV footage also confirmed that when Darshan's car is seen entering this very shed where Renuka Swamy, where the victim was kept. Now, all of the accused, were being told, who are in custody, were all involved in this murder. They brutally assaulted the victim in front of Darshan, and then after that, one of the accused, and this is the exact gory details that are emerging, one of the accused threw the victim against a wall and on the floor, harming him, injuring him very, very seriously. For about 30 minutes, Darshan and Pavitra Gowda were present in that shed. And as we told you, Darshan himself also allegedly beat up the victim. They then left. When they left, the victim was alive, grievously injured, but alive. But the assault continued, leading to his death 1 hour later. According to the police, 6:30 p.m. on June 8th is when, unfortunately, the victim, Renuka Swamy, died of the grievous injuries he'd sustained. Anaga Keshav is joining us live with more details on this. Anaga, going by the information that the police are giving out, they have reason to believe that actor Darshan was not just actively involved in the murder, that he had visited the shed where the assault was taking place and even beat up the victim himself.
Well, Akshita, as we've been mentioning, both Darshan and his second wife Pavitra Gowda, both of them were present at the spot for about half an hour to 1 hour. And the first, smash on the victim's face was given by Darshan. He apparently thrashed him using a belt. And reminder, when all this was happening, the A1 that we're talking about, Pavitra Gowda, she was present in the crime scene. Darshan was the one who slapped the victim first. Followed by that, his gang, that comprises of his bodyguards and people who sort of worship him, they were the ones who went on to thrash the victim left, right and center with the sole intention of, impressing Darshan, so that they can get into his big books. That's the kind of, gory details that we're talking about. Even the post-mortem details have revealed that there are about 14 to 15 injuries on the victim's body. His mouth was ripped open to the point where we can see the bones on his face. That's the kind of chilling details that we're talking about. Very inhumane, Akshita, the kind of things that have been unfolded. And we're even learning from our sources in the police department that Darshan and his wife were there for half an hour. After that, they left. So, when they left the spot, that shed that we're talking about in RR Nagar, the victim was alive. Cut to 1 hour, that was when Renuka Swamy breathed his last. supposed that, they tried to do some jigard, tried to manage the situation using money. They informed the police inspector, lied to them, saying that this was some sort of a financial dispute, tried to dispose of the body, but despite multiple attempts, they were caught because, a dog brought in Renuka Swami's dead body from the sewage onto the floor, and that was when this entire detail emerged. And as we speak, Darshan is still being interrogated by the police. He was taken to the spot, to that shed, for spot inquest. We need to wait and watch what more details come out of this story.
All right, thanks very much, Anaga, for joining us with all of those details. We'll track all the twists and turns emerging in this truly horrifying story that's happened in Bengaluru. And challenging star Darshan, very, very popular Kannada actor, now mired in this murder case. Thanks, Anaga, for getting us those details.